So just a quick recap and the step-by-step guide on how to start in this business at sa lahat ng mga napag-usapan natin. So first of all, you need to find a niche. Find a specific niche. Then after finding your niche, you need to do a market research. Kung mababalidate ba kung yung product or service mo, hinahanap ba ito ng iyong market o ng iyong niche. And then after that, you're gonna create a customer avatar para malaman mo yung mga likes, interest, and yung mga pangangailangan ng mga customer mo. And then from there, you're gonna create a sales page and an opt-in page. Sales page, yun yung doon mo isusulat yung iyong offer, magkano yon, at yung meron ka doong call to action. The goal of a sales page is to sell your products and services to your customer. Ngayon, yung opt-in page naman is also part of your website. Ang goal naman is to get leads o subscriber para sa iyong email list, and then those subscriber to become a customer. So doon nga papasok ngayon yung tinatawag na email marketing. So from there, you're gonna send your subscribers valuable emails to convert them into customer. And then you're gonna create traffic. Napag-usapan natin yung traffic, free and paid traffic. So it's up to you, may choice ka. And then from that traffic, you're gonna send that traffic to the sales page and then all the way to email marketing, and then balik na naman ulit. So that's the process on how you're gonna start in this business. Now let's talk about funnels. Ano nga ba yung funnels? Kasi makakarinig ka in digital marketing, funnels. Now funnels is basically para siyang embudo. So funnels is a way to filter yung mga prospective customer mo. So by using funnels, malalaman mo kung sino yung interesado at hindi doon sa mga products and service na ino-offer mo. So that's why you need to understand what funnels means. Maraming klase ng funnels. In this video, I'm gonna discuss with you yung tinatawag na lead funnels. Lead funnels is for you to get leads o yung subscriber doon sa iyong email list, sa iyong autoresponder. And then yung sales funnel, in where you show them your sales page, ma-offer mo sa kanila yung mga products and services mo, and when they convert, mapapunta sila doon sa iyong email list o sa autoresponder pa din. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. So this is a lead funnel. So yung traffic, yung mga tao, yung mga customer, mga prospective customer mo, so nasa sayo kung ano gagamitin mong traffic, free or paid traffic, and then from there, pupunta sila dun sa iyo sa iyong opt-in page ng iyong website, and then they're gonna see your free offer, free ebook, free video, free audio, free discount, coupon. So there are many kinds of free offer that you can do in exchange for their name and email address. And then from there, this is very important, after they downloaded your free offer or nag-subscribe sila sa'yo, you're gonna take them to your thank you page sa website mo. So pinag-usapan natin yan, kailangan meron kang thank you page. So mula doon, nandun yung mga information on how they can get the free ebook. Or from the thank you page, pwede na rin lang i-download yung free ebook mo o kung anumang free offer na ino-offer mo. And then from there, makakatanggap ang iyong subscriber ng welcome email and then follow-up email giving value at saka mga information about your product, about you, about your brand. And then from there, you're gonna put a link sa iyong mga emails. So I suggest about 5 to 6 or 5 to 7 emails. Tell them something about yourself, about your brand, paano mo sila matutulungan. And then put the link for your sales page in there to convert them into customer. So papasok na dito yung conversion. Ngayon ang tanong, paano kung hindi sila mag-convert? Kung pinakita mo sa kanila yung sales page mo, hindi sila nag-convert, then you're gonna send them. Babalik ulit sila doon sa iyong email, and then magsesend ka pa rin na magsesend ng mga emails to them. Valuable email na makakatulong sa kanila, and then you're gonna show them again your sales page. Pero dapat yung email na nakita nilang una, hindi nila ulit itong makikita. So, ibang klaseng email na naman ang makikita nila dapat. So, kaya doon papasok yung tinatawag na segmentation sa inyong autoresponder o doon sa iyong ESP or email service provider. Maraming paraan para ma-segment nyo yung list nyo. Depende yun sa autoresponder. But if you follow the instruction in your autoresponder, madali nyo siyang magagawa. The principle is, if they did not convert, then you should be follow it up ifa-follow up nyo, no, magpapadala pa rin kayo ng email until they convert. Gaano kayo katagal magpapadala ng email? Sabi ko nga, hanggang ang business nyo nag-i-exist. Because our business is here to help people transform their lives. Give valuable insight and then create more products and create more services. Mas marami kayong sales page na mapapakita sa inyong mga subscriber na pwede nilang pagpilian. So marami kayong mga products, hindi lang isa. And then paano naman kung nag-convert sila? So kung nag-convert sila, pinakita mo sa kanila yung sales page, pupunta ngayon din sila dun sa bagong segment mo. So pwede mo silang i-segment na nag-convert, na nag-buy ng iyong product. And then from there, papadala mo pa rin sila ng email and then you want them to become repeat customer. So ngayon pasok naman tayo dun sa tawag na sales funnel. So yung kanina, yung traffic pupunta dun sa iyong opt-in page with the goal of them being a subscriber. Pero dito naman, pagka pinakita mo agad from the traffic source, from the traffic, papakita mo agad yung sales page sa iyong website kung nasaan yung mga offer mo at service mo. The goal is to make a sale. So sales agad. So medyo mahirap gawin to at dapat for this to work, kailangan yung mga audience mo selected na talaga o yung audience mo warm audience. Magagawa mo ito kasi using paid traffic. So if you're gonna use paid traffic, malalaman mo kung sino ba yung mga warm audience o yung mga nag-engage na dati na may posibilidad. So there is a big possibility na mag-convert sila into paying customer agad without being a subscriber. Sa paid traffic, magagawa mo ito. But in free traffic, mahirap tong gawin. After showing to them your sales page and nag-convert sila, then pupunta sila doon sa iyong thank you page sa iyong website. And then from there, masesegment mo sila. Meron kang segment o group. Let's call this group para mas madali. Meron kang group na subscriber pa lang na hindi pa nabili ng mga product mo. So that's that's group A. And then your group B are people who convert o bumili ng product mo. So from there, mapapunta sila sa segment na yon and then papadalhan mo pa rin sila ng mga emails. So follow-up emails with the goal of them becoming a repeat customer. So that's the goal of a sales funnel. So there you have it. I hope maintindihan nyo on how this business works. The slides of this video, pwede nyo siyang i-download to use it as a guide para pwede nyo siyang balikan. For any questions, can email me at butch@butchlears.com.